I'm having a bit of a time today because this room is now designated the printer room because it's got, I don't know, like 7 printers in it. It's about to have 2 more. I had a whole rack going all the way up, but I'm going to get rid of that machine, and I've got to make room for the Bamboo X1 Carbon and the Bamboo Lab P1P. I was going to put them right there, but I'm not liking that because like you walk into it and it's kind of weird. I'm also noting that behind me, like I have a bunch of collectibles, and that's great, but like they're in here, and I want them out in my main room. We've had them like this for a while, and I don't really see them, and that's upsetting me a little bit. Especially for things like Hot Toys and those turtles, I really want to see them, and I don't really see them that much in here. So I think I'm going to move this all back out there. And you can kind of see where my other case was and the couch was. I think I'm going to put them all here in that same orientation and just kind of make a wall of collectibles right here. And yeah. I also moved one of those shelves back into the Bat Cave because I had nowhere to put stuff, and I had like an Oculus sitting on the ground and a Bat Signal sitting on the ground. That wasn't cool. And so we have a place to put things in here now, and Kitty can rest easy. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna like put all my extra stuff and stuff I haven't put up yet, but I'll figure it out. I don't know. The thing is, though, I have another like day job, right? And so I work down here as well as, print, but I spend most of my time down here, and I want my stuff visible, and I don't know, I just want to look at it because I like it, right? And so all this stuff, like, that's why I put it up, because I want to look at it. If it's not in the same room, I'm not necessarily happy.